I created 5 different styles of professional e-commerce ads for the same product, all without any shooting, without actors, and without using a camera. So if you run an e-commerce business, sell products online, or want to earn money by creating ads for clients, then this video is for you. Because today I'll show you step by step how I created all of these ads using only AI without expensive software or advanced editing skills. So let's get started. So the first ad I've decided to create is a UGC talking head ad. These days, this is one of the most popular ad formats used by brands because it feels much more natural and authentic. So to create this ad, I'll simply head over to the Nextify AI website. You'll find the link in the description box. Once you log in, you'll be greeted with a clean and beginner-friendly dashboard. Here you'll find a variety of AI video creation options, including UGC ads, product demo, unboxing, TVC-style, video clone, and many more. Since we are creating our first ad, so let's check on the avatar video option. Here you will see two choices, lip sync and UGC product video. So since I'm making a product advertisement, so I'll go ahead and select UGC product video. So the first thing we need to do is add an avatar. You can either choose one of the ready-made avatars available here or upload your own image to create a custom avatar. So I'll simply select the avatar I created earlier, and next it's time to add the product image. You can upload the image directly, or if you have a product link, you can just paste it here. The AI will use that image or link to generate a UGC-style product ad for you. Now in the speech section, simply paste your ad script. This is where you will add the script for the product or service you want to promote. So I'll paste my perfume ad script here. You will also notice an option called Add Speech Emotion. I definitely recommend turning this on because it adds emotion to the AI generated voice, making the final ad sound much more natural and engaging. And below that, you will find two voice options, text to speech and speech to speech. If you choose text to speech, AI will automatically generate an AI voice for your ad. But if you would rather use your own voice, just select the speech to speech and upload your recording. You can also choose a specific style if you want the ad to match a particular vibe. Once everything is set up, simply click the generate button. In just a few seconds, AI will create a complete UGC product ad for you.
Everyone keeps asking me what perfume I'm wearing. So here's my little secret. It's Lamora. The scent is elegant, fresh, and lasts for hours without being overpowering. I wear it every day, whether I'm heading to work or going out with friends, and I always get compliments. If you're looking for a fragrance that feels luxurious without trying too hard, Lumora is definitely worth checking out.
And as you can see, the AI has done an excellent job using all the settings we selected. The avatar looks realistic, the product placement feels natural, and the voice sounds surprisingly professional, making the overall ad look polished and engaging. So once you are satisfied with the result, simply click the download button to save the video to your device. So that was our first ad style. Now let's move on to the second ad style and see how the result turns out. The second ad style we are going to create is a product tab. So to create this ad, I'll simply click on the viral video option. Here you'll notice a few different settings. First, we need to upload a product image. So I'll go ahead and upload the image of a perfume. Next, you'll see the target country option. From here, you can choose the country where you want your ad to be generated for your target audience. And below that, you'll find the prompt box. This is where you need to describe your product key selling points. In other words, explain what makes your product special. For example, since I'm creating an ad for a perfume, so I'll mention its premium design, long-lasting fragrance, how it's used, and few other important features. This helps the AI generate a much better product demo based on those details. And next, you will see the video type option. I'll simply select product demo. Finally, we'll choose an avatar as well. Once all the settings are complete, simply click the generate button. Now let's see what kind of product demo ad the AI creates for us.
For every moment.
And here's the final result. So as you can see, the AI has generated a very impressive product demo ad. One of the best things is that the avatar looks very natural and presentable throughout the video. There are no awkward scenes and unnatural movements, which makes the final result look much more realistic. On top of that, the camera angles of different scenes gives the video a cinematic feel, making the entire ad look even more professional. Even without any additional editing, this video is ready to be used for social media advertising or product promotion. Overall, with just a few simple settings, the AI has created a high-quality product demo ad. Now let's move on and see how our unboxing style ad turns out. So we can create this ad from the same page, and the process is pretty much the same. First, upload your product image, then in the comment box, enter your product's key selling points so the AI understands what makes your product unique. Next, under the video tab option, instead of choosing product demo like we did before, this time we'll select unboxing style. And finally, choose your avatar, click the generate button, and let's see what kind of realistic unboxing style ad the AI comes up with. So as you can see, our unboxing style ad has been generated successfully, and honestly, it looks really impressive. I personally didn't notice any major issue with it. The product is presented pretty well, and overall video has a clean professional look. The only thing I noticed is that this version doesn't include a background voiceover, but that's not really a problem because you can easily add your own voice or an AI voiceover later if you want. So now let's move on to our fourth ad style and see how the TVC style turns out. The process for this one is exactly the same. We'll use the same product image, the same selling points, and all the same settings. The only difference is that under the video type option, this time we'll select TVC. And after that, simply choose your avatar and click the generate button. Now let's see what kind of cinematic TVC style and AI creates for us.
A touch of pure elegance, the essence of luxury. Lumora.
So here you'll notice that the AI creates a very premium cinematic looking ad. The video quality, camera angles, and overall presentation all feel polished and professional. If you are creating an advertisement for a brand or a premium product, this style is definitely a great choice. And now let's move on to our final ad style, which I think is the most powerful feature of this AI tool, and that's video cloning, also known as a remix. So if you don't want to create an ad from scratch, this feature can save you a lot of time. All you have to do is browse the template library and choose any ad you like. For example, I'll select this perfume ad template and click on create similar. Once you do that, all the settings for that ad will open up. As you can see, the ad is already built, but it's not customized for our product yet. So to customize it, the first thing we'll do is go to the source image section. Here we'll remove the existing product image and upload our own product image instead. Next, we'll move to the selling point section and enter the same product highlights we used earlier. Now the AI will take this existing template, customize it for our product, and within a few moments, generate a completely new professional ad. So now let's take a look at the result. So as you can see, the generated ad looks very similar to the original template, but it's not an exact copy. That's because I selected the style clone option in the settings. In this mode, the AI keeps the overall style and feel of the original ad while adding its own creative touch to make it unique. However, if you want to recreate the original template even more closely, there's also a high clone option available. So I also generated another ad using high clone mode. So let's check out that result as well.
Unleash your essence. Lumora, the scent of a man who knows his worth.
So as you can see, this time the AI has recreated the original ad much more accurately. The camera angles, scene flow, and overall presentation are same. The only real difference is that the original product has been naturally replaced with our own product. And the best part is that the replacement looks seamless. Nothing feels off or fake. So if you have come across a successful ad and want to create something in the same style for your own product, the high clone feature is definitely a great option to try. So overall, in my opinion, creating professional e-commerce ads with AI has become much easier than even before. Whether you run your own online store, do drop shipping, or want to earn money by creating ads for clients, AI tools like this can save you a lot of time and efforts. And if you'd like to try this tool yourself, you'll find my link in both the description and the pinned comment. When you sign up using my link, you'll get 30 free credits. Then as soon as you start your first generation task, will receive another 30 credits, giving you a total of 60 free credit. That gives you plenty of room to explore the features and start creating your own AI powered ads. So if you found today's video helpful, don't forget to give it a like. And if you'd like to watch more practical videos about AI tools, online earning and YouTube, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an upcoming video. Also, if you had any questions about this tool or any of its features, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I read all of your comments and always do my best to reply as quickly as I can. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.